Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Toyota Highlander Platinum. So I've driven the hybrid. Of course, this is courtesy of INFINITI of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire. But I've driven the hybrid version of this, and it wasn't bad at all. I was very impressed, but I haven't driven the V6. Okay, I've taken this car home, but I didn't film it when I had it for some... I think I was sick that week. So I've driven this car before, and I was absolutely impressed just at everything you get for this price point. It's really impressive. This one has been fitted with snow tires. It came from Vermont, so that's about all you need to know about that. Vermont has some nasty winters. Heads-up display. Look at this screen. JBL sound system. It's actually a very, very nicely equipped vehicle. Look at that panoramic roof. 360 camera. Let's go ahead and go for a drive. If I'm not mistaken, this uses the Toyota 3.5, same basic motor that's found in the Camry XSE V6. And I love this motor. Driving it in sport mode. So yeah, plenty of torque, plenty of power, even in a big SUV, three-row SUV like this one. And it's extremely comfortable too. And you're doing 65, you need to pass somebody. Got enough power and perfect gearing to drop down and make that pass. Honestly, this is such an improvement over the last gen. It really takes and puts the Highlander in modern day. I mean, look at this screen. The JBL sound system, heads-up display. Yeah, this is the fully loaded Highlander, but this is pretty impressive out of a mainstream manufacturer. I expect stuff like this out of Lexus and all that, but for the mainstream, this is pretty good. Big bump here. Well, that's impressive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.